Are you a first-time buyer looking for a two-bedroom home that you can put your own stamp on? Well, this Victorian beauty in Cardigan Road could be the one. We're going to share 5 things that we love about it. Let's go. The first thing that we love about this home is the fact that you have a lobby between the kitchen and the bathroom. There's nothing worse than using the bathroom and coming straight into the kitchen, because a lot of these Victorian terraces will literally just have that. So this section is really quite beneficial, because you can obviously go straight outside and you've got a handy cupboard here as well. While we're here, number 2 is the boiler. Worcester Bosch, under 5 years old, and it's a Combi. And just 5 minutes from the property, you've got the Co-op, Café Yoke. You can jump on a bus or even walk to town. It's just such a super location. And 5 minutes in the other direction, you get to here, White Knights Lake, attached to the university, just to get away from it all. And number 5 is this west-facing garden. Low maintenance, and this would be the perfect place for chilling out with family and friends, enjoying a barbecue or two. So if you like what you see and you think this is the one for you, do get in touch with the team quickly at the office, and we can't wait to meet you here at Cardigan Road. Take care.